Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Today we're out in the warehouse and we're going to talk about a special item. We have talked about a 6-port version of this. We've talked about a 2-port version of this. We have not talked about the 3-port A&A gear kit. So this is for a low-profile water valve that controls your pop-up heads. You'll recognize it by the side port and clear lid. This is for the 3-port. So you would have 3 pipes coming out of the bottom. Common misconception: 3 ports is your inlet on the side and 2 coming out the bottom. That's a 2-port. So whatever this says for ports, that's how many ports are actually coming out of the bottom of the water valve, not how many pipes actually feed the water valve. So this is our 3-port low pro gear kit, part number 230146. We have a few of them in stock here. We're available to pick these up. You guys can grab these at Bell and I-17. That's where our store is located, or ePoolSupply.com has tons of these. But we'd love to help you guys out. The way you know it's a 3-port is this green cam. So I believe the 2-port is blue and the 6-port is blue and the 2-port is pink. So this one is green. Can always recognize them by the different cam colors. Other than that, most of the gear is the same, but this is for the low pro A&A 3-port 2-inch gear kit. So appreciate you guys checking us out. See you in the next video. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. We have a lot more content coming up. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. See you next time.